This little weirdo stand gonna work? I guess so. Good enough. Okay. Hi. I was corresponding with a friend earlier this week, and they were talking about how they kind of living a quiet life and just sort of staying at home. And I don't know why, but it made me think of this Gordon Lightfoot song. So I learned it, and here we go. Rainy day people always seem to know when it's time to call. Rainy day people don't talk, they just listen till they've heard it all. Rainy day lovers don't lie when they tell you they've been down like you. Rainy day people don't mind if you cry on a tear too. If you get lonely, all you really need is that rainy day love. Rainy day people know there ain't no sorrow they can rise above. Rainy day lovers don't love any others, that would not be kind. Rainy day people all know how it hangs on your peace of mind. Rainy day lovers don't lie when they tell you they've been down there too. Rainy day people don't mind if you cry on a tear too. Rainy day people always seem to know when you're feeling blue. High-stepping strutters who land in the gutter sometimes need one too. Take it or leave it, or try to believe it if you've been down too long. Rainy day lovers don't hide love inside, they just pass it on. Rainy day lovers don't hide love inside, they just pass it on. All right, that's it.